Let's talk about how to reattach the drawband to the main spring of your Underwood portable typewriter. So if you get a typewriter and the carriage doesn't move when you type, this is probably your issue. On my typewriter, the original drawband was broken, so I fashioned a new one from a shoelace that I ordered on Amazon, which was roughly the same width as the original. I took the two connectors from the original drawband and sewed them onto my shoelace.
Excuse me, Peggy.
To replace the drawband, you're going to need a long hook of some kind. This one is from my sewing kit. It's designed to pull an elastic through a waistband, but any long hook will work. This is the mainspring of your typewriter. And you'll note that when you try to turn it counterclockwise, you should feel some resistance. If you don't feel resistance, then that could indicate that your mainspring has become detached from the inside of its drum, which is a separate problem we can do a different video about. The first thing I'm going to do is take my hook and thread it underneath the carriage exactly where the drawband needs to sit. Then I'm going to take my hook and attach the end of the drawband and carefully pull the drawband underneath through to the end of the other side of the carriage. And then I can just let this end hang out for a minute. I might do this part differently or backwards than how other people do it, but this is what works for me. I'm going to turn the mainspring counterclockwise about 5 or 6 full rotations. Once it's turned all the way, I'm going to attach the end of my drawband to the little raised part on the mainspring. Then I'm going to grab the drawband from the other end of the carriage and hold tension. And then I'm going to flip my machine over and attach it to the screw with the little nut on the underside. Then just replace the nut. I just hand tighten it, but you can use a tiny wrench. And now your carriage should move when you type.